My name's Ryan Potts. I'm the manager here at Foote and Rodgers Cattle. Tim Foote and Charlie Rodgers, they bought this place back in early July, and we come in here and did a lot of maintenance work, and now we're trying to get this thing filled up with cattle to run on wheat pasture and through these pens. And whenever we received this place, it was completely empty. You know, it needed a lot of maintenance, a lot of upkeep. What we're trying to do is run stocker cattle through here, sell as feeders to other feed yards. They'll come in weighing roughly 500 pounds, and we'll get them out of here weighing about 800. This yard right now will hold 4,000 head of cattle in the pens, but we've got 12 circles of wheat that we'll put these cattle on. And through the year, we're shooting to run maybe 20 to 25,000 head of cattle through this operation. We run several different kinds of tractors that we use for farming, several different kinds of implements for plows and things of that nature. We do have the Hyundai loader, which is a big part of our operation as far as getting the feed put out and mixed and moving bunks around, hay and things like that. On the wheel loader, we've got the bucket that we use to put the commodities into the feed wagon. We've got a set of hay forks to go along with it, where we use it to move hay out onto the wheat pastures. And then I've got a set of big pallet forks over there that we use to move this big portable pipe around in this bunk and to unload other sack feed that we have come in. So the loader, first time I saw it was over there at R&S Industries, and it was real appealing to the eye. I mean, it looked good. We received that loader, I'm thinking about the 16th or so of July, and we got it here and started running it. And it's been very nice to have around. We've been able to get everything that we have to do here at the feed yard accomplished with that loader. Now that loader, we have had no problems with it at all. And you know, of course, now we're just getting into the cool season, but we have not had any problems with it starting in the morning, running. Everything seems to run smoothly on it. You can get on there and check the diagnostics on it, and everything seems to run fine as we're using it. HL 940 has been a great loader for us. The cabin size is great. Getting in and out of it's no problem at all. You can see out of the loader real well whenever you're getting into tight places, and you'll be able to see what's beside you, behind you, and it's just been a really great loader all around. You know, the Hyundai edge to us, I believe, is probably R&S Industries. I feel like that Steve Reeves and what he's got available to him and what he can do with his knowledge is second to none.